Hare Krishna. Let's speak today on vibrations of Yama and Vikat deities of South Zone. Yama stands as the central deity on the periphery of matrix of deities for the South Zone, whereas Vikat is termed as Balagraha or Vikshepa Devata, which lies outside the matrix of deities in the Vastu Purush Mandala. So whenever there lies weak earth element in the south section of your house, means whenever emergence of ether, energy and light happens in the house from the south zone, in that particular case this Yama and Vikat deities gain a power and they encroach the house from south, and this encroaching Yama and Vikata are the basic reason of premature death. So all those houses where you find a huge site margin to the south, or borewell, a well, a water source to the south, or the terrace to the south, or roof slope to the south, all these particular symptoms are in concurrence to the encroachment of Yama Urja, because all these symptoms are correlated to the weak earth element and to the excitation of Akasha Prakasha Urja. That is how the energy and element, if are not proper in concurrence and in sequence to the direction, then it creates a disease in the house, which is claimed in the wonderful Vastu Sutra, which says Dakshina Plavana Prithvihi Naranam Mritada Bhavet. Or the other sutra from the Aparajit Pricha says like this, that Nashyanti Purushas Tatra Devata cha Pranashyati Dhanahani Karoti Nityam Rogakrut Dakshina Plavaha. Means in such a house you can have experience in 4 ways. 1. Premature death of male staying in the house. Then there won't be blessings of deities in that space. As there is no space, there lies the void. Excitation of the southern vibrations means creation of a voids. The third thing is dhanahani, means loss of wealth. And the fourth is rogakrid, means in such a house a disease happens very often. That is how the effectivity of southern energy affects the house. So in traditional Vastu Shastra, a powerful divine earth element to the south section is the theorem of the Vastu Shastra. Did you get the importance how to protect your house from the southern negative energy?